Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, July 18th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have a warm front that is lifting through the region this morning. Now it's producing some pretty heavy rain around northeastern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, and the New York City metro, pushing into the Hudson River Valley. Temperatures range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the far northern interior. Mid-70s around the New York City metro and mid to upper 70s in the Philadelphia metro. Notice our winds are from the east and northeast to the north of the warm front boundary and from the south and southeast from the south of the warm front boundary, with areas of low clouds and some fog mixed in there as well. You can see on the radar here is our warm front, basically stationary for now, but this is going to continue to push northward with this wave of low pressure and this wave of low pressure. So this area of rainfall will continue to push northward and produce heavy downpours at times. But the real concern is this cold front back here that's going to be moving through the region for later on this afternoon and evening, leading to the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms. Now, this frontal boundary will continue to lift northward, will move into a tropical, warm, muggy air mass throughout the region, but it's going to get even hotter. We'll talk about that in a moment. Then this cold front approaches the region, but then weakens as it does so, but still capable of producing showers and thunderstorms throughout the entire region, especially for eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey, with the potential for thunderstorms that could feature heavy downpours, frequent lightning, wind gusts over 65 miles per hour, and possibly even an isolated tornado. Taking a look at our visible satellite picture, here's something that's going to be very important to watch over the next couple of hours. Obviously, the warm front lifting through, a lot of cloudy skies. If we get more breaks in the sunshine, especially breaks in the cloud cover, should I say, especially around the Delaware River Valley, right around here, well, that's going to destabilize the atmosphere, and that's going to lead to the potential for enhanced severe thunderstorms. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that and see how that evolves. Now, if this remains cloudy like this all day, then the threat for severe thunderstorms will be reduced, but they'll still be capable of heavy downpours and frequent lightning. So certainly not something you want to drive through. If you get stuck in one of these thunderstorms, try to pull over to the side, wait it out for a bit, because they can reduce visibility below 2 miles and produce localized flash flooding. Now, on the infrared satellite picture, we can see an interesting scenario taking place here. This upper level low associated with this frontal structure is lifting to the northeast. And as it does so, this ridge, what we call the Western Atlantic Ridge, you may have heard of it as the Bermuda High Ridge, will continue to build towards the coast. And as that happens, we're going to transport a hot and humid air mass into our area by tomorrow afternoon. That's going to lead to temperatures in the 80s and 90s to start off with, and then perpetual lower to mid 90s moving in for much of this upcoming week for much of the region, especially around the I-95 corridor. Now, let me stress this. These temperatures for the rest of this week will be some of the hottest that we've seen in quite some time, and at least for this year. Okay. Now, what that means to you is that your body may not be used to this type of heat and humidity. Now, it probably won't be record-breaking, but because we haven't been accustomed to this type of weather for much of the summer so far, I would strongly suggest to beware of heat sickness, drink plenty of water, try to stay in a cool place if you can, and keep an eye on your kids and on the elderly, because this can sometimes, these type of hot temperatures can really surprise you and catch you off guard if you aren't prepared. So for today, watch out for showers and thunderstorms this morning, lifting northward, isolated showers and thunderstorms through the afternoon, and then this evening, scattered showers and thunderstorms return. Some of them will be severe. Look for high temperatures in the upper 70s to mid 80s over the interior, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight into tomorrow morning, showers and thunderstorms through midnight, giving way to scattered cloud cover by tomorrow morning. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, hazy, hot, and humid. Can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm, especially if we get a sea breeze front. Look for temperatures to rise into the upper 80s to lower 90s over the interior, upper 80s to lower 90s along the coast, and lower to mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Wednesday, Scattered cloud cover is expected. Can't rule out some locally dense fog in the morning. An isolated shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon, especially along a sea breeze front. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast for lows. High temperatures will range from the upper 80s to lower 90s along the immediate coast, lower to mid 90s over the interior, and lower to mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Thursday, a cold front will approach the region but will weaken and collapse as it does so. So there's going to be a threat for some isolated showers and thunderstorms. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s and high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 80s along the immediate coast, upper 80s to lower 90s over the interior, and lower to mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, look for a trough to linger around the region with scattered cloud cover, possibly some fog in the morning, isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 80s along the immediate coast, lower 90s over the interior, and lower to mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, high pressure will be in control with clear skies to scattered cloud cover, possibly some fog in the morning. A rather hot day with low temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior and mid 70s along the coast, possibly some upper 70s mixed in there in the urban areas. Look for high temperatures to range from the upper 80s to lower 90s along the immediate coast, lower to mid 90s over the interior, and mid to upper 90s in the Delaware River Valley. We could see a heat index easily pushing over 100 degrees on Saturday. And then on Sunday, a cold front will approach the region with the threat for some isolated showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Otherwise, look for scattered cloud cover and hazy, hot, and humid conditions with low temperatures in the lower to mid 70s over the interior, mid 70s along the coast, mid to upper 70s in your urban areas. Look for high temperatures ranging from the upper 80s to lower 90s along the coast, lower to mid 90s over the interior, and mid to upper 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, a cold front will move through with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 70s over the interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 80s. That's your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.